Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make cupcakes using cake flour. This special flour is key to achieving incredibly light and tender cupcakes. Its lower protein content results in a delicate crumb, giving your treats a wonderfully soft texture. Using cake flour helps ensure your cupcakes are never dense or dry, making them perfectly moist and airy every time. First, let's prepare our dry ingredients. You'll want to sift together 1 1/2 cups of cake flour with your baking powder and a pinch of salt. Sifting is a vital step. It aerates the flour, ensuring all ingredients are evenly distributed and helps remove any small lumps. This creates a fine, uniform mixture that will contribute to a perfectly smooth batter later on. Now for the wet ingredients. In a separate bowl, cream together 1 stick of softened, unsalted butter with 1 cup of granulated sugar until light and fluffy. Then, beat in 2 large eggs, one at a time, ensuring each is fully incorporated before adding the next. Finally, gradually mix in 1/2 cup of milk and 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract until just combined. Once your batter is ready, fill your cupcake liners about 2/3 full. This prevents them from overflowing during baking and ensures a nice dome. Bake them in a preheated oven at 350 degrees Fahrenheit for approximately 18 to 22 minutes, or until a toothpick inserted comes out clean. Let them cool completely on a wire rack before adding your favorite frosting.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.